Hey everyone, welcome if you're new or welcome back. I share simple and beautiful home decor tips to intentionally create a more peaceful home. Today I will be sharing some simple home decor ideas using Habitation Box. If you aren't familiar with Habitation Box, it is a home decor subscription that is curated by an interior designer. And I am also excited to share a coupon code for 10% off your subscription with the code Ashley10. Okay, so here's the box that showed up at my door. It is a very decent size box, so let's go ahead and open it up. The three different boxes that you can choose from: the Habitation Box Elite, which is 6 to 9 items; Habitation Box Original, which is 4 to 6 items; Habitation Box Mini, which contains 4 items, and you can choose from a monthly or a quarterly option. Let's see what else is in the box. I will also link below the website, which has a lot more detail on it as far as pricing and all of the options that I just went over about the different boxes that you can pick from. This is so pretty. So it's this plant garland here, and it is a really pretty green color. Looks very real. I love the look of this one. Thinking about how I want to style some of these items as I am unboxing them. This is another little garland here. This one looks like it's themed for the 4th of July, which will be coming up here before we know it. So it looks like we have a set of napkins, blue and white checkered. So it came with 4 of those. Here's all of those. These are really cute. They go with the napkins. They're a set of 4 napkin rings. I really love how neutral these are. You will be able to use them across all of the different seasons. So this is a larger wooden riser. It's a really good size, rectangular shape. It has some detail in the middle here. I love the color of this. It's a really nice warm tone, really pretty. And it looks like the last item in my box was a larger size wood riser. So there's 2 of those in there, same color tone, same detail in the middle there. So those are really pretty. So it looks like there was a total of 6 items that came in my box, and I'm really excited to get into some decorating ideas with these items. So let's go ahead and do that. One of the best parts about Habitation Box is that you get complimentary interior design services with your subscription. next mindful home decor tip is to use natural elements such as wood, stone, and plants to bring the outdoors in and create a sense of connection to the natural world. Plants can provide a calming effect on the mind. The box features items that are in a neutral color palette that are both beautiful and functional in your home. Overall, I was really impressed with the contents of the box and the quality of the products. Decor pieces that have function and versatility are my favorites to incorporate into my home. The wood risers were the pieces that I was drawn to the most out of the box just because they were so versatile and I was able to use them in a lot of different ways in many different spaces in my home. Home decor should be purposeful and also bring you joy. I was so excited to go out on the front porch and get the box after it was delivered. I had no idea what was going to be in the box. It was a fun experience to open up the box, look at all of the items, and then figure out how I was going to incorporate those pieces into my home. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out the links in the description box for your coupon code if you are interested in trying Habitation Box. If you enjoy this kind of content, a really wonderful way to show your support is to give this video a like and to hit that subscribe button. If you need more home decorating tips and inspiration, be sure to check out these two videos, and I will see you soon in my next one.